Hello, welcome our gear research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best tea kettles electric that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Number 1 Mueller Ultra Kettle. Model No. M99's 1500W electric kettle. The Mueller Premium Electric Kettle offers especially great bang for your buck. The item will bring your water to a boil just as well as the next kettle and faster than your microwave can for an even more affordable price. The sleek glass design will look eye-catching in any kitchen, and there's even a blue light that is both aesthetically pleasing and functional as it lets you know the item is in use. It's equipped with an automatic shutoff feature to make it even safer, and many customers say it boils quickly. At 1.8 liters, the size of this kettle is right in line with the majority of other options on the market. Some customers say the kettle is on the heavier side, so consider if that will be an issue before buying. Apart from that, the only other downside is that the base is a little on the flimsy side. But, for the price, this kettle can't be beat. It illuminates to let you know it's heating, and the glass allows you to see inside to see when your water is boiling. The plastic handle is white and easy to grasp and stays cool, and the large spout allows for a fast. The heating element is concealed and provides a quick boil at 1500 watts. The touch during our lab tests and the inside, spout and lid are lined with food-safe stainless steel. This is a one-touch button no-frills kettle, which boils water in 6 minutes and automatically shuts off when boiling is done. Easy peasy. Number 2 Amazon Basics Stainless Steel Portable Electric Tea Kettles. The heating element is concealed and provides a quick boil at 1500 watts. The small size is not too heavy and makes it a pleasure to have in the kitchen, not taking up too much space on your counter. Features an automatic shut-off to prevent boiling dry and a window to view the water level. Amassing over 42,000 reviews with 82% 5-star ratings, you can't go wrong. I had no issues pouring hot water to make myself a cup of tea, but beware that most kettles, this one included, require you to pour very slowly to avoid splashing and overflowing. But one thing I didn't love about this kettle was the lid design, which often required a bit of tugging to remove, something that can be dangerous when the kettle is filled with hot water. That said, I appreciated the cool touch lid knob and that the opening is rather large, which makes it easy to clean. It performed reliably and almost identically to other stovetop models I tested. And while it doesn't match up with the Lecricet in terms of durability, this kettle is cordless, eliminating any wires on your countertop. Other features include a blue water window, a removable scale filter, and auto shut-off. Match up with the Lecricet in terms of durability. This kettle is cordless, eliminating any wires on your countertop. Other features include a blue water window, a removable scale filter, and auto shut-off. Number 3 Ovente Glass Electric Kettle, 1.5-liter BPA-free. This model is an Amazon bestseller and has curbside appeal for its fun color options. Unfortunately, it's also slow to heat and simply shuts off when the water reaches a boil. Additionally, there is a screen at the opening that sticks out at an awkward angle, making the kettle tough to fill in the sink. While we don't hate this model, it's nothing special. It is quiet and quick to boil in our tests and appreciate that the cord can be wrapped underneath the base, keeping your countertop free of clutter. The base also has 4 little feet, which we appreciate because we often keep our kettle near the sink, where it faces the inevitable splash. Another unique feature is on the viewing pane. It offers measurement markings in liters, but also in cups, so you have a better. Though this kettle doesn't feature temperature control, it can be a more affordable option for those looking to only boil water. The body of the kettle is made of durable stainless steel, and the handle and lid are covered with cork to improve the grip and protect your hands from the heat. This kettle is a good fit for any kitchen decor. The kettle is made from borosilicate glass, which is resistant to thermal shock and will not scratch or break easily. The infuser is made from stainless steel. It only takes about 5 minutes to heat 1 gallon of water to the desired temperature. When heating the water, you can clearly see the kettle's blue LED indicator lights as they illuminate and go through the boiling process. Number 4 COSORI Electric Kettle for Boiling Water, 1500W wider. This electric kettle is straightforward and simple. It proves the old adage, a watched pot never boils, wrong, because you can literally watch the water get hot, start to move around, and reach a rolling boil. It's made of clear, food-grade, heat-proof, and durable glass, and is equipped with a blue LED light that gives your hot water a glow-up. You would also definitely see any buildup, and it being glass would make it easy to clean but also more breakable, says our tester. In her testing, it took about 4 to 5 minutes for the water to reach a full boil and turn itself off. It only has one button to press down, so it was easy to figure out which one is the boil setting. Plus, the entire top springs open so it's easy to reach into and clean. The carafe part separates from the base for easy cordless pouring. There was no splashing at all. The outside of the carafe gets pretty hot, but there were no other obvious safety concerns, she adds. There aren't several temperature settings. This kettle is for straightforward boiled water. It has a filter in the spout to trap mineral deposits that may form, and it has safety features such as dry boil, which turns itself off if there isn't enough water. It has no stay warm feature, however. It's basic, but it's affordable and does what it needs to do. Number 5 Hamilton Beach Electric Tea Kettle, Water Boiler. It's likely that you have at least one Hamilton Beach appliance in your house, and if Amazon reviews are anything to go by, this kettle is wildly popular, and it's easy to see why. It's reasonably priced and was one of our fastest boilers, heating 1 liter of water in just over 4.5 minutes. It performs like a simplified version of our top pick, where the winning Cuisinart kettle has multiple temperature settings. This Hamilton Beach has just an on-off switch, and the kettle switches off instead of beeping when the water is done. If you're low on counter space, this product is among the most compact and unobtrusive on our list. It performs like a much more expensive kettle, so it earns our value pick. It's likely that you have at least one Hamilton Beach appliance in your house, and if Amazon reviews are anything to go by, this kettle is wildly popular and it's easy to see why. It's reasonably priced and was one of our fastest boilers, heating 1 liter of water in just. Like, comment and share, please subscribe my channel, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.